Hey there, it's Polina here, your commerce bestie and dropshipping guide. Let's talk about one of the most important rules in e-commerce. More product, more opportunities for sales. But not just any products. You need trending, in-demand items that people are already searching for or are about to. And even more importantly, your product selection shouldn't stay the same all year. Seasons change, trends shift, and buyers' behavior evolves. So, what worked great in May might flop in September. That's why today's video is super important. I'm about to show you what's trending in August September 2025. A perfect mix of summer bestsellers and autumn prep essentials. There are the kinds of products that can boost your store right now without the need for complex strategies or massive ad budget. Let's dive in. Here's the thing, your dropshipping store is not the vending machine. It's more like boutique. And just like any boutique, your inventory needs to stay fresh. If you only sell sunglasses in October, you're gonna struggle. If you push heavy coats during the heat wave, no one buying. That's why you need to always think, what are people buying right now and what are they about to buy next month? August and September are traditional months. People are still dealing with summer heat, but already preparing for cooler weather, school routines, and indoor living. So now is the perfect time to update your store with lightweight seasonal essentials, back to school must haves, cozy home upgrades, fall fashion and wellness products, and of course, a few viral gadgets that everyone wants. So now that you know why product timing matters, let's get into what can actually sell this season. I've put together a solid list of trending products perfect for late summer and early fall. And they cover multiple categories, so you've got room to test and scale. These are all from Sellvia catalog, so if you like what you see, you can grab the links below the video and start selling right away. Let's go. Home comfort and wellness upgrades. People are spending more time indoors again, and they want cozy, functional spaces that feel good to be in. Aromatherapy humidifier, a sleek ultrasonic diffuser with remote control, delivers calming mist and soothing scents for instant home relaxation. LED flame lamp heater, a safe smokeless way to get fireplace vibes, offers cozy ambience and efficient heating for fall evenings. Back to school essentials for all ages. It's not just about kids. College students and work from home adults are also gearing up for a fresh start. Pink Harajuku backpack, stylish and lightweight with tons of storage. A top pick for students who love fashion and function. Adjustable kid study desk set rolls with your child. Tilt-top desk, ergonomic chair, and built-in LED lamp. A study space game changer. Outdoor and garden cleanser. Yep, it's still hot. People are hunting for late summer outdoor deals before the weather fully flips. Backpack gas leaf blower. Built for serious cleanup. 79cc motor, 930 CFM power, and up to 95 minutes of run time. Ideal for your yard prep. 15FT patio umbrella with solar LEDs. Double side design with solar powered lights. Great for entertaining patios or poolside comfort. Autumn fashion drops. Cozy layers and traditional pieces are starting to trend. Doc Martens lace up boots. Rugged, stylish, and made to last. A full staple that pairs with anything. Vintage plaid jacket, the perfect layer for breezy weather. Lightweight, casual, and easy to pair with any outfit. Viral gadgets, decor and high-ticket favorites. These are the sprawl stoppers. Products that look amazing, offer serious value, and are perfect for gifting or personal upgrades. Luxury infrared sauna, two-person. Includes starry ceiling, recliner, soul therapy, and modern tech. Wellness goals unlocked. 6-in-1 capsule coffee machine. Brews hot and cold drinks, supports multiple capsules, and brings coffee vibes home. No matter what you choose, remember to tailor your marketing to the season. Warm tones, cozy vibes, back to school themes. This is your chance to connect your audience emotionally, not just visually. Now, here's what I always recommend. Don't just add one or two products and hope for the best. Instead, group them into mini collections or theme categories inside your store. For example, Fall prep must-haves, back-to-school picks, wellness starts at home, TikTok favorites. That way you're not selling a product, you're selling a solution or a vibe which always converts better. And pro tip, don't forget to upgrade your store banners, product categories, and homepage to match the season. It makes a huge difference in how professional and trustworthy your brand looks. So what's the takeaway? If you want to win in drop shipping, you need to stay ahead of the season and ride the wave of trending products. August and September are full of opportunity. The products are out there. You just need to act fast and stay consistent. Whether you're just getting started or already scaling, this is your sign to refresh your store today. I'll add all the product packs linked below to make things easier for you. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. We've got more trend drops, marketing hacks, and e-commerce game plans coming your way. Let's build your success story one season at a time. See you in the next video.